If you're searching for car tools for DIYers, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just getting started with at-home car maintenance, having the right tools makes all the difference. We've rounded up the 20 must-have car tools for DIYers available on Amazon. Every DIYer knows the feeling, that burst of satisfaction when a job is done with your own hands, whether it's a quick fix or a full-blown weekend project under the hood. But to truly enjoy car maintenance, you need the right tools by your side. We're not talking about generic wrenches or outdated kits. We mean the kind of car tools for DIYers that are loved by thousands, rated highly, and priced right. Let's dive into 20 of the most essential tools you can get on Amazon today. Starting strong is the Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. Trusted since 1968 and still going strong, this non-toxic formula breathes new life into tired leather interiors. With over 62,000 glowing reviews and a #1 bestseller badge, this $19.99 miracle, down from $27.99, is a favorite for a reason. Over 20,000 buyers grabbed it in the last month alone. Next up is Valvoline's High Mileage Motor Oil with MaxLife technology. If you're running an older engine, this synthetic blend is practically gold. Valvoline's high mileage formula with MaxLife technology has earned its reputation through the real-world experiences of over 33,341 satisfied customers who've awarded it an impressive 4.8-star rating. At $19.97, slashed from $31.99, this 5-quart jug of SAE 5W 30 synthetic blend represents one of the smartest investments you can make in your vehicle's longevity. What sets this oil apart from conventional formulas is its specialized chemistry, designed specifically for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. The MaxLife technology includes seal conditioners that help prevent leaks, reduce oil burn-off, and minimize the wear that comes with age. For those who love keeping their trims and fenders tight, the GUK 240 PCS retainer clips kit is non-negotiable. These are the go-to fasteners for door panels, bumpers, and everything in between. The kit has achieved the coveted #1 bestseller position in automotive clips through sheer utility and customer satisfaction. With a remarkable 74,580 reviews, averaging 4.6 stars, and over 30,000 purchases in the past month alone, this $10.92 kit, reduced from $16.99, represents what might be the highest value to frustration relief ratio in automotive retail. Every DIY mechanic knows the sinking feeling of removing an interior panel or bumper cover only to have several plastic clips break in the process. Suddenly, a simple project becomes a multi-day ordeal waiting for the right replacement parts. This comprehensive kit eliminates that nightmare by providing the most popular clip sizes compatible with GM, Ford, Toyota, Honda, and Chrysler vehicles. Rain can be brutal, especially if your wipers are slacking. Enter the Rain-X Latitude 2-in-1 water repellent wiper blades. Rain-XS Latitude 2-in-1 wiper blades have captured the loyalty of over 114,245 customers while earning Amazon's Choice designation. At $36.18 for a pair of 22-inch blades, they represent a premium investment that pays dividends every time weather conditions deteriorate. The revolutionary aspect of these wipers lies in their integration of Rain-XS patented water repellency formula directly into the rubber compound. This means that even when the wipers aren't actively running, rain beads and rolls off your windshield more effectively than with traditional blades. When summer hits, a sunshade becomes a lifesaver. The EcoNur windshield sunshade fits snugly, blocks heat, and keeps your car interior from turning into a furnace. EcoNur's patented windshield sunshade has earned Amazon's Choice status based on the satisfaction of over 115,404 customers, with more than 40,000 purchasing this $15.99 solution, down from $25 in just the past month. The medium-sized shade measuring 64 by 32 inches fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks while blocking an impressive 99% of heat-generating solar radiation. Now let's talk about keeping that car paint gleaming. Migliar's Gold Class Car Wash delivers a professional finish every time. This 64-ounce concentrate has dominated the #1 bestseller position in cleaners through the loyalty of 13,979 customers who've awarded it an outstanding 4.7-star rating, with over 10,000 customers purchasing it multiple times at its current price of $9.69, reduced from $13.99. What elevates this car wash beyond typical automotive shampoos is its remarkable versatility and concentration. Whether you're using a foam cannon for professional-style washing or sticking with traditional bucket methods, this formula produces rich, lubricating suds that encapsulate dirt particles and lift them safely away from paint surfaces. The pH-balanced chemistry ensures it won't strip existing wax or sealant protection while still providing thorough cleaning power. Fuses may be tiny, but when one blows, you'll need a replacement fast. That's why the Jorist 300 PCS Fuse Kit is essential. Jorist's 300-piece fuse assortment has earned Amazon's Choice recognition through 36,663 customer reviews, averaging 4.6 stars, with over 10,000 people purchasing this $13.99 kit. slightly reduced from $14.99 monthly. The comprehensive nature of this kit sets it apart from basic automotive fuse collections, including 160 mini-blade fuses, 90 standard auto fuses, 50 micro fuses, and a professional-grade puller tool. It covers amperage ratings from 2 to 40 amps. This range accommodates everything from delicate electronic modules to high-current accessories like winches or aftermarket lighting systems. Dirty floors? Fix that with Motor Trend's FlexTough floor mats. These all-weather protectors fit nearly every vehicle and keep things clean no matter the season. Motor Trend's FlexTough floor mats have earned Amazon's Choice designation through the satisfaction of over 120,744 customers who appreciate their $34.90 investment in practical protection. Next on the list, for detail lovers, is Cerakote's Platinum Ceramic Paint Sealant. This slick, hydrophobic sealant gives your ride a stunning finish and long-lasting protection. At $19.69 for 14 ounces, this ceramic spray coating has earned 4.5 stars from 14,070 customers, with over 20,000 people purchasing it multiple times. The ceramic technology creates an incredibly hydrophobic surface that makes water bead and roll off paint with almost magical effectiveness. The slickness created by the ceramic coating not only looks spectacular, but actually makes future washing easier and more effective. Application simplicity makes this accessible to DIY enthusiasts regardless of their experience level. When paint defects require serious attention, specialized compounds become essential car tools for DIYers tackling restoration projects. Meguiar's Mirror Glaze M105 Ultra Cut compound has built its reputation through 15,496 customer reviews, averaging 4.6 stars, with over 7,000 monthly purchases of this $11.85 solution, reduced from $12.99. The Ultra Cut formula safely removes scratches, oxidation, and heavy swirl marks while simultaneously adding shine to all glossy paint and clear coat surfaces. Customers consistently report impressive results when addressing parking lot scratches, water spot etching, and the inevitable paint defects that accumulate over years of vehicle ownership. What sets this compound apart is its ability to work effectively with both machine application and hand polishing techniques. Interior cleaning just got an upgrade with the cordless car vacuum and air duster. With 4.6 stars from 2,538 customers and Amazon's Choice recognition, this $39.99 unit, dramatically reduced from typical pricing of $69.99, delivers 18,000 Pascal suction power through a 130W brushless motor powered by a substantial 7,800 mAh battery. The two-in-one design functions as both vacuum and air duster, providing versatility for different cleaning challenges. Customers particularly appreciate the integrated LED light that illuminates dark crevices under seats and in trunk areas where debris typically accumulates. The variety of included nozzles handles everything from large debris removal to detailed work around electronic components. Sagging headliner? No problem. 3M's headliner and fabric adhesive bonds quickly and hold strong. DIY upholstery work just got easier and more affordable. 3M's headliner and fabric adhesive has earned 4.5 stars from 6,912 customers, with over 8,000 monthly purchases of this $15.99 solution, reduced from $24.99. The 18.1-ounce aerosol format provides professional-grade bonding strength while ensuring even application across large surfaces. Customers report excellent results when reattaching headliner fabric, securing loose door panels, and addressing various interior component separations that occur over time. The spray application eliminates the mess and uneven coverage often associated with brush-applied adhesives. When your hands are covered in grease, nothing beats the Fast Orange Pumice Hand Cleaner. Fast Orange's Pumice Lotion Hand Cleaner has achieved an exceptional 4.8-star rating from 8,336 customers, with over 9,000 people purchasing this $13.18 gallon, dramatically reduced from $32.51 multiple times this past month. The waterless formula proves invaluable in garage settings where water access might be limited or inconvenient. Natural pumice particles provide mechanical scrubbing action that removes embedded grease, oil, and stubborn dirt that conventional soap simply cannot handle. Now for the foam fanatics. Adams Mega Foam Car Wash Soap creates thick suds perfect for foam cannons. Adams Mega Foam Car Wash Soap represents the pinnacle of car washing chemistry, earning 4.8 stars from 1,509 customers who've invested $59.49, reduced from $69.99, in this gallon of ultra-concentrated cleaning power. The pH-neutral formula ensures safety for wax, sealants, and ceramic coatings while producing incredibly impressive suds that provide superior lubrication during the washing process. Professional detailers and serious enthusiasts particularly appreciate how the high concentration means this gallon provides dozens of washes, making the initial investment more reasonable when calculated per use. Wheels and tires need love too. The 4-pack long handle wheel brush kit gives you stiff brushes for grime and soft brushes for polish. This professional 4-pack wheel brush kit has earned Amazon's choice recognition and 4.5 stars from 1,250 customers, with over 4,000 monthly purchases at the best price on Amazon of $16.99. The comprehensive kit includes 2 soft wheel cleaning brushes for delicate finishes, 1 precision detailing brush for intricate spoke work, and 1 stiff tire brush for aggressive sidewall cleaning. The long handles keep hands away from brake dust and road grime while providing the leverage needed for thorough cleaning. The bendable construction allows these brushes to conform to wheel contours while maintaining their shape through repeated use. You'll need towels, and not just any towels. The KKV Extra Large Microfiber towels are streak-free, scratch-free, and super absorbent. Quality drying towels are fundamental for DIYers committed to achieving professional-looking results. These extra-large KKV microfiber towels measuring 35 by 24 inches have earned Amazon's choice recognition and 4.6 stars from 1,027 customers. Currently available for $25.98, reduced from $29.99, in a limited-time deal. The exceptional size means fewer towels are needed for drying entire vehicles, while the ultra-absorbent microfiber material removes water quickly without requiring excessive wiping that can cause scratches. Customers consistently praise their lint-free performance and durability through multiple washing cycles, making them reliable long-term investments in proper car care. Professional detailers understand that the drying process often determines whether a perfect wash job results in a flawless finish or disappointing streaks and water spots. These towels eliminate those frustrations through superior absorbency and gentle contact with paint surfaces, ensuring that the effort invested in washing and protecting your vehicle isn't undermined by inadequate drying. Rust doesn't stand a chance against CRC's Evapor-Rust Remover. Rust removal is one of the most challenging aspects of automotive restoration, making effective rust removers essential for DIYers working on older vehicles. CRC's Evapor-Rust Heavy-Duty Rust Remover has earned 4.3 stars from 10,448 customers who appreciate its $12.99 price point and safe, effective chemistry. The water-based, acid-free formula removes rust completely down to bare metal without producing harmful acids, solvents, fumes, or odors. This safety profile makes it suitable for use in enclosed garage spaces without special ventilation requirements. The simple immersion process eliminates the need for scrubbing or mechanical removal, making it accessible to DIY enthusiasts regardless of their experience level. Deep clean your ride inside and out with the 26-piece car detailing brush set. Thorough vehicle detailing requires diverse tools, making comprehensive brush sets valuable car tools for DIYers committed to achieving professional results. This 26-piece car detailing brush set has earned 4.4 stars from 1,504 customers, with over 4,000 monthly purchases at $25.99. The professional car care kit includes specialized brushes for interior surfaces, exterior paint and trim, wheel wells, engine bay components, and various other cleaning challenges that arise during comprehensive vehicle maintenance. Having the right brush size and bristle stiffness for each specific task eliminates the frustration of trying to clean delicate surfaces with inappropriate tools. Carpet stains are no match for P&S Carpet Bomber Upholstery Cleaner. This citrus-based formula is professional-grade yet safe for DIY use. 1 gallon costs just $28.95 and will last through dozens of detailing sessions. P&S Professional's Carpet Bomber has earned an impressive 4.7-star rating from 2,084 customers who've made this $28.95 gallon best price on Amazon, their go-to solution for challenging cleaning projects. The citrus-based formula effectively removes grease, dirt, and embedded odors from automotive carpets and upholstery while being safe for use on engines and wheel wells. The highly dilutable nature means this gallon concentrate can be mixed to different strengths depending on the severity of cleaning challenges, providing exceptional versatility and value. Last but not least, breathe new life into tired leather with the Fortivo Leather Recoloring Balm. It's a scratch remover, color restorer, and balm in one. It's a handy fix for interiors and couches alike. With 4.4 stars from 14,232 customers and over 3,000 monthly purchases at $24.99, this specialized product tackles challenges that go beyond simple conditioning. The advanced formula actually restores color to faded or damaged leather while providing scratch removal and protective benefits. Customers report impressive transformations of cracked dashboards, worn seat bolsters, and severely faded door panels that seem destined for expensive professional reupholstery. Every vehicle owner deserves a reliable set of car tools for DIYers to keep their ride in top shape. Whether it's restoring leather, detailing your wheels, or performing engine maintenance, each of these Amazon favorites will empower you to tackle more projects from home. Affordable, highly rated, and best-selling, these 20 tools belong in every DIYer's arsenal. What's your must-have tool that didn't make the list? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, keep those wrenches turning.